Hi, it's Jason, Jason's Jungle. Now, I'm going to be planting some second cropping spuds into buckets, but normally my buckets this year haven't been so good because I haven't been able to get down to water them properly. But I've got a plan, and I'll show you that plan now. Right then, this is a trough I've just been given by a neighbour to my niece. Didn't come with the buckets, but it's about almost the right size, as you can see, to get four 30 litre buckets on there. All I've got to do is make some holes so that they can match up with these holes in the tops, and then I can run some of these wattle strips, these capillary matting, in there. Now, I don't need to have too much going into the pot for that much, just enough to soak water in, and the capillary action in the pot will help bump it all up. But that shouldn't mean all I have to do is fill up the reservoir, and then that will fill up the buckets. So to make the holes, I have a little blow lamp. That's just so that these things don't split. Hopefully they're not going to set fire to itself, but in case of that, I've got this already pre-pumped. So I've got the buckets lined up. And what I do is I put this over so it's about central. And that means I can know where I need to burn the holes in. So I'll just do, first of all, I'll just do a mark of it. That way I can see on the bucket where I need to do the hole, but I can move. Okay, so now I have a burn mark next to each of these that I can then heat up and just melt through. By melting, I don't risk making the thing that's going to split, and I don't end up with too much plastic all over the place. So that's starting to burn through. So just focus on that hole. I just need it big enough to get them through, so maybe it's about the size of a 50p. Okay, so now, what I'll do, I've got 4 pots of these, there's 4 in each one. So you just screw them up. Inches hanging out, which will be enough to go into there. And then these will just stand up on the side, so just in there. Here's the 4 buckets. There's just enough space at the end to get some hose in and fill it up. And what I'm going to do is this is the manure that was in the buckets before. Now it has been revitalised a bit, it's been watered. What I'm doing is I'm going to put a little bit in the bottom to hold these wicks up off the ground, so that there's something for them to wick into. And I'm going to spread them out cover them a little bit and put my first spud in. Putting 2 spuds in here, in each of them. This one is the Jemson. So if I put the first spud in here, I will get them a good water in as well. Then I can build these up, bringing these thing up vertical. Now hopefully spuds will go around them and wicks from them. As I'm doing that, I will add some chicken manure. Hold on, I'll just go and grab that. So I'll just give it a little sprinkle every now and again. Just to give it a bit more pep. And I'll top dress with some bluefish and bone later on, once they're starting to come through. Just trying to make sure these are all in contact with the soil and not the edge. So I don't want it to sort of dribble down the edge. Now these aren't going to come to the top, but that's fine. Once the moisture gets into here, the rest should be fine. Okay, so now I just need to top this up. I don't bother if they move later, I just throw the light up. What I might do next time I've got some is to give this a mulch with some fresh grass clippings. So I'm going to fill the rest of these up, fill up the tank and give them a bit of a water. And that's how I'm hoping to get a decent crop of spuds out of these buckets.